Alchemy lets you preset actions to be taken based on future mentions, social content, or engagement. Alchemy can send you alerts and automatically tag mentions when they are posted. All you need to do is set up the Alchemy with specific rules and actions which tell the system what to do and when to do it. Opening Alchemy, you'll first need to create a rule group and give it a name, and then you can add your first rule. Choose an objective, automatic tagging, or sending notifications. You can choose no objective and your rule will still be functional, appearing as a filter in ripples. Give your rule a name and a description if you like. The data source is where you pick the channels you want to monitor from your Cosmos ripples or Mandala analytics. Select the channels you want. Next, you set the rule conditions. This could be a keyword. If the source channel posts content which contains a selected keyword that you input here, Alchemy will take action. It could be a sentiment, so if the channels you selected post content which meets a certain sentiment you select, like negative, Alchemy will take action. It could be engagement. Engagement metrics are different between the different platforms, like views for YouTube and shares for Facebook. So select the platform first, then you can pick the engagement type. For example, pick Facebook and set likes the number to 50. Then when new content from your chosen channels reaches 50 Facebook likes, Alchemy will take action. What action would you like your Alchemy to take? That's the final step. Here you select auto tags by picking one of your tags from your tag groups, or you can create a new tag here as well. Select a notification by choosing one or more of the notification methods here. A sample notification will be shown for you. Finally, you can set a schedule here in case you don't wish to be disturbed at certain times. Switch your rule to active and click Save Settings, and there you have it. Your Alchemy is now actively monitoring for you and will alert you or automatically tag content as per the rules you've set as they happen.